In the intriguing tapestry of feudal Japan's history, two figures stand out for their prowess and mystique: the samurai and the ninja. But how did these legendary warriors interact? Were they fierce rivals? Or did they share a grudging respect? Let's start with the samurai, known for their strict adherence to the Bushido code. Valuing honor and loyalty above all. Clad in their iconic armor, they were the military nobility, the face of power and order in ancient Japan. Contrastingly, ninjas or shinobi were masters of stealth and espionage. Cloaked in secrecy, they operated in the shadows, gathering intelligence and executing covert missions. Unlike the samurai, ninjas weren't bound by the same rigid code of honor. Their effectiveness lay in their unpredictability and adaptability. The relationship between samurai and ninja was complex. At times, they were adversaries, with ninjas employed to undermine samurai rule. Yet, in other instances, samurais themselves hired ninjas for tasks that required a more clandestine approach. This dynamic interplay tells a story not just of conflict, but also of collaboration, shaping the course of Japanese history. Join us as we explore epic tales of intrigue, betrayal, and alliance in the world of ninja samurai.